am going to just make the Jell-O according to the directions, except my family likes the jigglers. You remember the jigglers, guys? The thick Jell-O. So I'm gonna use slightly less water. Oh, here, I'm looking, trying to find the directions. Okay, all right, here we go. And here's my red. Now, recipe is in the description below. I am going to stir these. Okay, so now I'm putting some ice cubes in. Each one. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna put these in the fridge and let them cool. So we're gonna start with the blue first. We're gonna cut it.
This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now.
And I think I'm just go in the center. Now you could just pour the Jell-O in here and let it set. Put a layer on layer if you want. Now we got our whipped topping. Our red. Our red on top. Now if you want to do it red, white, and blue, you can do it like that. Or if you want to add an extra dollop, you can add an extra dollop of whipped cream on the top. Yum. Yum, yum, yum.